Use ChatGPT to create a Canva thumbnail prompt. Here, I describe the topic of my video and mention the thumbnail text, colors, and overall look. Generate the thumbnail using Canva AI. Canva AI instantly generates multiple thumbnail designs. Choose the design that best matches your video content. Fine-tune the design using Canva Editor. You can adjust the text, change colors, resize elements, or add icons if needed. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.